This is Sprint 10, where we started to use Spring. Our task was to create application with services and its models and test for it. For my part of this task was to create a model for to get rid of boilerplate code. I've added Lombok and use Builder to have possibility to build this object. I've used equals and hash code to verify that the object are equals by title and owner, and add a default value for task as empty list, and add service implementation for to do. In this part I've used as was is example constructor injection of our bean service, and in this part I've added implementation for methods that was provided from to-do service interface. The methods are add to-do, update to-do, delete, get all, get to-do list by user, or find it by user and title. In the same manner, I've added implementation for methods from to-do service. The same here we have ingestion with constructor, and to check whether all methods work correctly, I've added a test for my part of application, so I've added test for to-do service. Here we have different tests, like checked add to do. So I've add user, then I create to do, not to write it every time. I've add class test util, from where I've take these static methods for user. I've add randomizer to understand that our email are different, and when we add new user we will not have a conflict, because our email should be unique for our user. And also add here a method to create a random to do, and as I've added a builder, I have possibility to build this object. So we can return to our test. The next to do, the test was to add to do, update our to-do list, then check get our to-do list, and here I've added verification for a runtime exception, because when I've added to do, I've added it to user 1, not to user 2. So when I try to get to do by user and title, it will generate runtime exceptions that user with such email don't have to do with such title. And for our user one, here it is, we will see that we can find our to-do. Also, I've checked for delete to-do, so I've add user to to-dos for it, use services to provide it, then I assert that user has to do 1 and to do 2. After that, delete to do 2 from user, delete to do 2, and check whether all to-dos include to do 2. As we deleted it, will false, and it will return false, so we check false condition. The next test was to get by username to-dos. So for user 1, I've add to do 1, and for user 2, I've add to do 2. So our assertion was that when we get to-dos from user, it has to do 1 and do not have to do 2, as it is from user 2. But when we check whether all whether all to-dos include our to-do 1 and to-do 2, it will return true, because we do not check whether this to-do is related to user. In the same manner, I've add test for our task services. The same for for example, add task duplicate, so we can't add a task with same name for same user, because it's a unique key. I've decided that it will be unique key. And also check delete task, and we can run our tests. Our checks for task path, and let's run our test for to-do list. The same path. Thank you.